Red is the rose so bright. Red is the firelight. Red is yummy cherry pie and balloons that float up high. Blue is the sky so wide. Blue is the ocean tide. Blue are jeans and blueberries too. So many things in shades of blue. Yellow is the shining sun. Yellow is so full of fun. Yellow ducks go quack, quack, quack. Yellow hats and yellow snacks. Ooh, green is grass we run and play. Green are trees that sway all day. Green are peas and frogs that leap. Oh, green is calm and green is deep seraph. Orange is a pumpkin round. Bucka, oranges falling to the ground. Orange shirts and orange leaves. Fall is coming, can you believe? Purple, pink, and colors bright. Yucca, make the world a happy sight. Let's look around and name each hue. Colors are a part of you.